How to make Twitter account public. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can make your X account public. Okay, so the first step is to open the X app on your mobile device, then move to the top left corner of the screen, tap on your profile icon, then scroll down and click on settings and privacy, which is under settings and support. On this page, scroll down and select privacy and safety, which is located under monetization. Then by selecting privacy and safety, once you're in your privacy and safety page, the next step is to select audience and tagging. On the audience and tagging page, you can see the option for you to see, protect your posts, protect your videos, photo tagging. So by protecting your post, your account is private. But in order to make your account public, ensure you tap the toggle that shows protect your post, and once the toggle is turned off, your account will be made public automatically. Or if it's turned on, your account would be private. Alright, so that is it. So this is basically how you can make your Twitter account public. Alright, so go ahead and try it out now. Thank you for watching and have a good day.